Welcome again. Imagine upgrading from basic phone to a modern smartphone. It's smarter, faster, and more powerful. That's what HTML5 is for the web. HTML5 is the latest version of HTML, and it brought big improvements to how websites are built. It added new features that makes websites more interactive and user-friendly without needing extra plugins. Here are some powerful features HTML5 introduced. Semantic tags like header, article, and footer that help structure your page better. They are introduced in the previous video. Audio and video support. You can directly embed media without flash. Local storage allows browser to store data locally on the user device. New form import like email, range, and date make forms smarter. Canvas element lets you the graphic and animation right on the page. These features made web development simpler, cleaner, and more efficient. HTML5. Before HTML5, we needed third-party tools like Flash for video or JavaScript hacks for basic features. HTML5 changed that. Now developers can build modern responsive website faster with better structure, multimedia, offline storage, and with dynamic graphics. HTML5 makes the web better for everyone, developers, users, and even search engines.